Now, just arrived a super example of the Audi RSQ8, and that all black look this car offers you is going to sell it. 2023-23, just 31,000 miles, serviced at Audi and in a great condition. This car's got the Maxton exterior styling kit, which just distinguishes it in the marketplace and makes it look really, really menacing. Such road presence, but 23-inch wheels, red calipers, and black interior, triple black. I'm going to call it the Stealth Bomber. It's 4-litre V8, quattro drivetrain, 600 brake horsepower, a wonderful noise from the engine, and an all-round awesome drive. All-wheel steering and air suspension in this car. I'm going to go through some of the exterior styling in a second, but the interior is also magnificent. Audi Sport red stitching with the Napa leather seats, sport seats, which are heated, ventilated and massage, electric and memory, carbon interior, switchable ambient lighting. It's got so much for the driver. Head-up display, adaptive cruise, 360 camera system, heated wheel. It's a great car. The Vorsprung specification just gives you everything. Opening roof, of course, soft closed doors, just everything. But it's a family car, built on the same sort of wheelbase as the Q7, so it's big, gives you the space in the rear, climate control, Bang & Olufsen stereo, just everything. If you look down, you'll see the RS entry, puddle lights. Well, let's talk about the kit. So the Maxton kit gives you the side skirts. We've then got this lovely rear end. So top boot spoiler, on top of the old Audi spoiler, you've got the matrix lights front and rear, RSQ8 badging, and then this Maxton kit just giving you that little bit more down to the bottom. Oval tailpipes from the RS and then into the boot. Of course, it's big because it's the Q8, so lovely boot size, split folding seats, electric parcel shelf, air suspension, switchable here. This is a fab car, especially for the money. I think it just looks super, super value. Roof rails in satin, keyless entry, and then once you're in, again, the puddle lights, Bang & Olufsen stereo, the Audi Sport stitching in red, the lovely carbon interior with the memory seat function to the door, and then you've got these RS Sport seats embossed here, lovely stitching, quilted. Now these are ventilated, heated and massage, you'll see down there, fully electric steering column adjustment and Alcantara steering wheel, which is heated. I've got it on and it feels really nice. Switchable RS modes from the driver steering wheel, and then obviously head-up display. Now the finishes in this car is what you would expect for a value like this. You've got Alcantara through the roof lining, Napa leather on the top dash of the carbon, which I've mentioned, which runs through the car. And then if I go into the split screen, so there's 3 screens on this car, one behind the steering wheel, then one here and one here. Wireless smartphone integration, ventilated and heated seats, digital climate control. The camera system in this is pretty impressive as well. You've got reverse, top view, and then you can extend it out to the 3D surround. Adaptive cruise control as well, and the ambient lighting is wonderful. Opening roof, just a lovely car inside as well. You know, you can see it's been looked after, and it's on the website now for a great price. If you're interested, then give us a call. Surely the exterior styling of this car and the particular look with that triple black look is going to sell it. But with that Maxton kit at the front as well, you'll see that lower splitter, this lovely RS grille and all the black styling throughout. It's a lovely look at car and even better to drive. On the website now, give me a call, drop me a WhatsApp. It's Richard. Thanks for watching.